Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter problem. To know how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Twitter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. You can go to Play Store. If you will find here in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye in another video.